The focus of this section of the lesson is to begin working on making your map to be as clear as possible for anyone who's reading it. First step in that is keeping your information organized. By the end of this lesson, you're going to have 3 separate maps in your table of contents. And so what we want to do is make it so you can turn each entire map on and off, depending on what you want to be looking at the time. And the way to do that is to create layer groups. Put all of your layers in one group. This is a very simple process. You just go to where it says layers right up here. You right click it, and you're going to click new group layer. Now then, we want to change the name of this group layer so we know which map it is. You can either double click it and go to the properties window, or you can click it one time to make sure that it's highlighted like that, and then click it a second time, and you can actually type right over it. We're going to call it population by census tract. In order to get information into this layer group, you can either right click it and add new data straight into it, or if the data is already on your map, you can take it and drag it up into the group. You can see how this black line stops at the layer group rather than going all the way to the end like it does up there. That means it's going to go inside of it. You see now that it's indented into the group layer. We want both of our layers in there, the US state boundaries and the census tract. You want to make sure the state boundaries are on top of the census tract so that they can be seen. If you have multiple layers or multiple groups on your map, you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you how this works. And you want the same layer in both groups, you can copy an entire layer, right click the new layer and paste it in there. And now it's in there exactly the same. Now we can turn off these entire maps just by clicking this one check mark. And you can see that the new group layer that I created is going away. I'm going to remove it altogether because you do not need it. Now we're left with just this.